the first thing that you're going to need: wipes, scissors, glue, tweezer, and your lashes. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean my lashes. Remove the lashes from the tray. This is how they look. And then you're going to want to measure them to see if they're long enough or they're too short. In most cases they're too long. So for me, they're a bit too long, so I'm going to cut from the inside, not from the outside, because normally the lashes flare more on the outside, so I'm going to cut from the inside. I'm going to take off about here a little centimeter. So this is the piece that I cut off, and this is what it looks like now. The next thing I'll be doing is applying the glue. And now I'm just gonna brush on the glue. Depending on what type of glue it is, you're going to probably have to move your hand really fast. So for this glue, it dries really quickly, so I have to move my hand fast. And you're going to put it on the lash line. Normally you should put on a eyeliner, but I haven't put on any. But you normally need to put on that to conceal the line or any messiness. makes a lot of difference. Touch my face with no foundation and so. Boy, them girl forget to put a lot to look well, girl. Me should have got to look at makeup. Watch your blemish. Watch your blemish. And so. Makeup give me life, but I don't know about you. See, they were live. Read this. Lash up and so. So my face looks significantly different. Yeah, it's about the lash though. But I don't know if you can see, it kind of look a little bit messy. If I were to have an eyeliner, I wouldn't see the messiness of it, and that is why it is important to have the liner before you apply the lash, for it to disguise the messiness of the lash. But yeah, lash life, strip lash. For all the people that can't bother with fusion lash. See my blink? Yeah. And if you want lash, guys, you can get lash from me. You can follow my page on IG, Concepts Collections. I have these lashes, these mink lashes for sale. You can message me if you like to purchase one, and it's free delivery for every purchase. Alright, so that's the lash. Close up. Close up. Close up. Pardon the no foundation. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe.